Hi. Did you know on your way over here, the soles on your feet likely shed microplastics? Most of them do, but not the ones I'm wearing. Hi, I'm Chandni. I'm here from A Blunt Story. Footwear soles are the seventh largest source of microplastic pollution. Made from crude oil derived materials like EVA and TPU, they persist in landfills for thousands of years. And not only that, they're also carbon intensive, hard to recycle, and persist in landfills for decades. In India, the waste and pollution crisis is hard to ignore. On the way into work every day, I would cross one of Delhi's largest landfills, Ghazipur, and air so thickened with smog from crop burning residues that it's become a public health issue. Beyond plastics, we felt an urgent need to address that. So we started where it mattered most, um, the soles. Made from renewable plant-based materials, they're free from crude oil-derived polymers, and we call them uncrude. The burning of crop residues in India is a major cause for pollution, and we use that as an essential ingredient in our soles to help farmers monetize it so they're incentivized not to burn it down. The soles are 70 to 94% bio-based, and they use approximately 300 to 500 grams of crop residue per pair. It varies between the midsole and the outsole, with over 60 and reduced carbon emissions by over 60%. Not only that, we engineered them with nitrosamine-free chemistry, which is safe for the makers as much as the wearers and the planet. To further our vision of waste-to-value materials, we have a supporting material called Unwaste, which is made from 100% post-consumer garment waste, which can't be segregated or recycled. This reduces carbon emissions by 90%, and this too is recyclable. Beyond materials, we have a vision for innovation that is inclusive. We upskill makers to work with these novel bio-based materials and recycled materials so we can include them in the transition towards sustainability. What made this all possible, you might wonder? We are incubated at a footwear manufacturing facility, and the soles were developed between labs and factory floors on existing infrastructure for enabling scalable production. They're tested at par with industry variants on flex, abrasion, tensile, and tear, and they've been pilot and wear tested on a range of sandals too. With a ready B2B pipeline, we are now getting ready for larger pilots with brand partners and developing uncrude for more rigorous applications. I have some samples here for you. Please do come have a feel, and let's explore how we can uncrude the system, or at least the 7.5 billion casual footwear market. Thank you.